Did you know that you can now create coloring books for kids or adults using Printify, and you can add them to your site and build an entire brand around them? And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that. This is especially a smart product idea if you want to find a way to monetize a kid's YouTube channel, or even find unique ways to monetize your TikTok account, for example. Because you don't need to hold inventory, you don't need to print them out yourself, and you can turn a simple idea into a product that people actually buy. So let's get started. We're going to go through picking the right type of coloring book, how to create the pages, how to add them inside Printify, put everything together, and list your products to your store and start selling. Now, creating the books are one part, but creating the brand around them and actually making sales is a whole different story. So you need to keep this in mind when you're creating your products. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and choose your coloring book niche. For example, if you're creating this for kids, if you have a faceless YouTube channel for a little bear, for example, on YouTube, and you want to monetize it with kids coloring books, you can use ChatGPT to create different coloring books with that character, and for example, create an entire coloring book about that character that does different things. Goes to the beach, goes to the mountainside, is camping, is going shopping, goes to see farm animals, and all these types of things that kids will love to color. You can also come up with a coloring book that teaches kids letters, numbers, colors, and more. You can keep these really simple and monetize them really easily if you follow a few things. So these are products that are amazing for kids, but you can also go to do the adult coloring books, the relaxing ones that adults love coloring in. So my biggest tip here is to not try to create a coloring book for everybody, but instead try doing your research first. If you're selling on Etsy, do your research on Etsy. If you're selling on your own store, do your research on Google and social media, and see which types of coloring books are popular among adults or kids. So you can go to Etsy, Amazon, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and see what types of content perform best, because you need to create your strategy plan, your marketing strategy before you create your product. So this will help you really understand demand and help you understand what types of products you need to create. So let's do this together. Let's do some research. Let's create the coloring books together and add them to Printify, order a few samples, and then you'll be able to create content with them and start your brand. So the first thing you want to do is create a Printify account using the link below, and make sure that you keep that code in mind, because it will be really useful when you're ordering your samples, because it gives you a discount for your first order, maximum for up to $100. So when you go to the catalog, you'll be able to see, let's go to new arrivals because it is a new arrival, and you will be able to see right here, coloring book. You can see the side, pages, 26 pages, ideal for crayons, color pencils, markers, pastels, and watercolors. So this is great. And you can see how it looks. It is pretty big and it looks really, really nice. So you have a few print areas that you need to design, including the cover. You click on Start Designing and you can just view them all, or you can click on a page to start adding your designs to them. So by closing that, you have the cover, the front, and the back, and you can upload things to add on there. But before you start uploading, I said we're going to do some research. So let's do some research on Etsy, for example. And you can do kids coloring book, animals, for example. So you can see this one is really cute right here with animals sleeping, or you have this one that is a bestseller. It earns over $1,500 per month. This one is really cute. This one, so this is what I was saying, to have an ABC coloring book, for example. So this one is really good, or one with animals, and you can include this video of you scrolling, of you going through it, and these are really cute. And you can do this with print on demand with Printify. It is really simple. These are really cute as well, and you can create this so easily with ChatGPT, I cannot tell you. So a good idea is this A for Astronaut type of book. Let's see how much it sells. This doesn't sell that well. Let's try to find, so this one is a really good one. And you can see that the competition is not very big for these either. You just need to find one that is really good. These ones are really interesting. This earns 346. So a really good one that I saw is this one right here, and I'm going to go to the shop to see what other products are really good as well. I'm going to analyze shop. So yeah, this is the biggest one that sells really good. Let's see how much this one sells, because it's really interesting. Not so much. So if kids coloring books are not your thing, but again, this sells pretty well, you can do adult coloring book, and you can see multiple bestsellers here. This one sells pretty good, or this one is really interesting. This one is nice, but you can also go on Amazon and do your research there, because I bet that the sales are a bit more there. And of course, on your own site, if you create your own site and you create it really, really well, you will be able to just create everything perfectly and create your brand around it, and people will buy. So let's say that we're creating a kids coloring book, ABCs. I'm going to try to find an inspiration photo on Pinterest. So for example, you download this one right here, and then all you have to do is go to ChatGPT, add these photos right here, and say, get inspiration from these photos and help me create an ABC's coloring book for kids that is unique. Each coloring page is going to have the black outline, and the cover will be colorful and cute. And I'm going to say, give me an idea of a fun word that works well illustrated for each letter, and keep this style in mind. I'm just going to ask for the words first, because ChatGPT doesn't work well if you give it too many tasks at once. So let's say, for example, it gives us the A for acorn, B for bear, and I'm going to say, generate this coloring page now. So it gave me the entire list. You can modify the list, you can make it however you'd like, and then I'm going to tell it to start creating the image, and you can give it the size as well, the A4, so the basic image, and then you might also need to refine it a little bit in Canva, but that's not hard to do. And then I'm going to say, now please generate the colorful cover for this coloring book, including the illustrations for A, B, and C, and the proper title. And we're going to wait and see what it generates for us. And of course, it will take a little bit of work for you to put this together, but once you put it together inside Printify, you can list it, connect your store really easily, and then all you need to do is make sales. Of course, order a few samples so you can create content and really make those sales. But the more you brand your business, the more you have one niche and a target audience in mind, these will be really easy to market and sell. So with this, it's really important that you give it the inspiration, and sometimes ChatGPT makes mistakes, so you will need to spend a little bit of time to refine every single page. But again, once it's done, it will be easier than creating this yourself, obviously. This is a really cute page that they gave us. B is for bear, and what I would tell it to do is also write the word bear at the bottom. So I'm going to tell it to do that. Write bear at the bottom as well, and it will just create this thing for me. I'm going to tell it to create the colorful cover too. So this is really cute. As you can see, it created the outline for us that the kids were going to color in. And for the best quality, you can refine the pixels and everything in Canva if you need that. Erase anything that is not really good. You can use it to erase the background, so you can make sure that the background is fully white. And then it generates the cover image for us as well. It is really easy to do. You don't have to spend the time to do it yourself, and you can again give it a certain style to do it in, and it's really helpful. What I also suggest is that you create the back cover as well, where you also include your brand name and to brand these as well. So this is really cute. Look at the cover. It says Tiny Animal Alphabet Adventure Coloring Book. It looks really good. And then once you go to Printify, you can add the cover, and we're going to add it on the front. Again, as I said, you can edit this in Canva so you can make it the exact size and expand the image so it looks nice. And then for page 1 or 2, let's say, we're going to add this bear image just so we can see how it looks. And then when you go to preview, you're going to be able to see the front, and it will look a lot better once we expand it in Canva. So this is what you can do, is create a custom size. So we're going to choose inches, 8, 11, create a new design, and what you do is you upload the image just as you have it. And as you can see, there are these spaces there. So I'm going to click on the image, edit. I'm going to go to Magic Expand Whole Page, and it is going to expand this for the entire page, and it is going to look a lot better. So you can have, there you go, you can choose one that you like, download it in high resolution so you can have it for your book, because we want it to be printed really well. Let's go edit the cover because I don't like it. I want to show you a proper example. There you go. Okay, so apparently you also need to choose the background color. Let me choose the color. I'm going to choose this color right here. So it takes a little bit of work, but it's okay. Choosing the background color, and then it will look a lot better. There you go. And you can have the spread for every single page. Apparently made all of our pages like this, but you can make the modifications and make it look really good. So this is what it looks like, and it is really pretty. And you can do the same process with the adult coloring books as well. It is really easy to customize them with Printify, list them to your store, and start making sales. Again, ordering samples is super important, so you can use my discount code in the description below to get a really special price for up to $100. If you want to try out Printify, you can sign up using the link below as well, and you can start creating this for your brand. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you would start such a brand. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!